Hey boys and girls, it's Aaron's Amazing World! Today we will make our world famous pizza pockets. Hey guys, we're doing Aaron's famous pizza dough recipe. Now let's get started. So first we need 4 cups of flour.
Actually, let's start with the milk.
Let's start with the milk first because if you do it there, it might overflow.
Right.
Oh, it might overflow.
Make sure it's warm. Is it warm?
It's warm.
Perfect. Okay, let's pour it in.
Now let's pour it into here.
Good job.
Okay, it was
That's 1.5 cups of milk.
Wait, don't have, okay? It's 1.5 cups of milk.
Okay, next.
Next?
Now you can do the flour.
Next is 4 cups of flour. So we need...
I already measured it out for you.
Oh, so we need 4 cups of flour. So what do we do?
And this is special bread flour.
Yeah, this
right here.
is special bread flour.
Pour it into the thing.
This is special. This is special, okay, guys?
Don't spill it or mommy would be mad. Oh.
It's too much.
Okay, good.
Too much overflowing.
Next.
Wow, this is floury. Next, we need 1 stick of butter.
And we melted it already, so that's good.
We dump it now. Ew. Ew.
You do not say that about a butter. Butter is yummy.
I can't even eat it now. Okay. We need 2 teaspoons salt.
That's the yellow one. I mixed it with garlic already.
So we dump it now.
Yeah.
Wow, birds find it. This is garlic. But we have 2 bit. So now we need 1
Tablespoon.
tablespoon and teaspoon of yeast.
That's the next yellow one.
This is yeast. Okay. And our last ingredient. No, 2 more ingredients.
Yep.
2 more ingredients. 1/3 cup of sugar.
Sugar's on that side.
Oh, sugar. And our last ingredient, this.
Special seasoning. Can you get it?
Special seasoning. And our last ingredient, love.
You gonna put your heart in there too?
Okay. I'm dead, guys. I can't make any videos. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're done.
So we're gonna put it in the bread maker for 1 hour, and then we'll come back and make our pizza pockets.
And now we're gonna put it in the bread maker, and we're gonna wait until we get our pizza pockets.
We have to wait 1 hour. Hang on. I'll put it in. Anything you want to say?
Guys, that's in our video. Leave a like in the description. Something, that word I don't know. And
Bread has started.
bread has started too. So
Or the dough.
the dough I made. We'll put back in just an hour. Welcome back, boys and girls. And now we're gonna make our pizza pocket. Now let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna put the flour on the floor because so the pepperoni doesn't. The pizza pocket doesn't stick. And now we're gonna rub it around.
You can use your hand to rub it around.
And
Did you wash your hands? That's very important, actually.
No.
Okay, that's enough. You gotta have. Okay. All right.
Roll it out.
That's a lot.
Roll it out. Live studio. Aaron, always watch your hands.
Never wash your hands. You already wash your hands, so you don't need to. Wait.
I'm not ready.
Keep rolling like for a minute. Has to be big. For the pizza pocket to be need more. Wait, you got
That's pretty good. Here, Dad's gonna do one more. So
now you gotta rub it down like my dad did.
we're gonna do a little bit more. Dad's gonna roll a little bit.
Now Dad's gonna roll good.
Okay.
It's more better than me. Put under there,
let's go.
Daddy.
Okay, what are you gonna put on your pizza pocket tonight?
Sauce!
Scoop some sauce on.
I'll show this stick.
Remember where to put it. Okay, rub it around. Okay, that's good.
Now done.
Now put a little bit of cheese.
Now we got some yummy cheese. Dun cheese. You need to spread cheese so you don't need that much cheese so it can be beautiful, lovely.
Okay, now fold it over.
Now we'll fold it over. Wait, I get some here so it doesn't stick on it. Look how terrible I am.
Is it sticky?
Wait, make some more.
Hang on, just pull it up. No, it's fine. Okay, just roll it over, and then roll the edges.
Now you have to roll the edges. Ah, so bad rolling. I never done rolling before.
Yeah, you have to kind of pull it up and then roll it.
You have to pull it up. But if you don't pull it up, it won't be that greatest.
Okay. That's good. Here, we'll move on a sec.
Now,
Oh, look at it. Let me get this cool new tool.
now,
So you roll this on the edge like
now
that.
I'm gonna roll this on the edge. This is our cool little tool we got like 5 days ago, or a week.
Just lightly, not too tight, not too hard.
So that's getting, okay,
Just
that's,
lightly across it. Nope, you gotta turn it then. You gotta roll around like this. Yeah, turn it. And
and then keep going.
not too hard. Keep turning. And that's it. Good job. Goes in the oven for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
That's
Glad it's not, an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that was like an hour.
Okay.
What is an hour?
So see you in 20 minutes.
Wait, see you in 20 minutes.
Wave goodbye to your friends.
No. And maybe we'll make more pizza pockets.
Yeah, we'll make more. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Wave and look at the camera.
Hey, boys and girls. This is our finished pizza pockets.
Okay. What else are you gonna say?
Hit the like button, subscribe before I eat this thing. Don't hit the unlike button. I'll be really
On
mad.
accident. Yeah, we don't want that.
Or an accident. You know when you hit the unlike button, that's not an accident because you can switch them up. Like, you go like boom, and then you accidentally pressed it. You can just press the other one and then it goes to that. Now let's dig in.
All right. Bye, boys and girls.
Bye, boys and girls.